Here's the gorgeously talented Lola working with Kasha today. We're doing an all-stars pet project, so many tricks will be shared.
Wave.
Starting with a wave. There we go.
Here.
Beautiful. Moving on to the pylons. Look at that weaving action. Incredible. Amazing. She's done that before.
Okay. Lie down.
Now lie down.
Nope. Lie down.
Let's set that one up again. Lie down.
And over. Come on. Okay. Let's do it the other way. Lie down. Over. Roll over. Good.
Here we go. Here we go. Yes, a roll over.
Okay, now.
And a
Crawl.
crawl.
Oh.
Ah,
Crawl.
awesome. Look at that. Very good.
Come. No, up.
And
Good
up.
girl.
So clever.
And high five.
And a high
Double.
five. More like a high 10. There's a high five.
No. Touch.
And a touch.
Sit.
The nose to the palm. Refocus.
Oh my.
Sort of. I think she's just so super excited.
Sit. Sit. Touch. Touch. Touch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. That was a lot of tricks. Well done, Lola.